Hey, Jamie, you are the launch controller man. Hang on just a minute. You're doing good. We want to get this for posterity, so if it crashes, we know all about it. All right, this is the one with the camera inside. Jamie, put the key in the launcher. Count down. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Launch! We have a parachute! We have a parachute!
It went pretty far up there.
And that was with a D engine. Wait till you see the F engines.
Really?
Mm-hmm. And we're about ready to have splashdown.
What was the last time we shot them up? That white one went up so high. What engine did it have?
It was a C engine, but it's because